And then it will start pumping water to the top. So just throw that in your pond or somewhere. Here's the head pieces, throw them to the side. We don't need them at this point, but later on you can just choose and put them on there. And depending which one you are choosing, it looks differently. And then we also have the solar panel and the pump here. And this is what it looks from the top. And it will just start working depending which mode you select. There's a night mode, auto mode, and also the remote control. Here are some extra securities in case it is moving freely. You can secure it that way, and it won't get lost at some places. So it's throw that back in there, and I would say I will install everything, and then this is what it looks like when it's in action. It's dark out, it comes out the best way this way. And yeah, pretty neat. As I said, you can remove the head pieces and select other ones as well and choose whatever you prefer. Then also the lighting, you can change that to just one color. Is that something you like more? I do like this one here though. And that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I'm Badger, I'm out, take care, and have a good one.